Having trouble activating your Airalo eSIM? The key to successful activation starts with proper compatibility and network verification. Let's walk through the essential checks that prevent most activation failures. First, let's verify your device supports eSIM technology. Most modern smartphones include eSIM capability, but it's important to confirm compatibility before purchasing your plan. Here's how the cellular settings look on an iPhone. You can verify eSIM support by checking if you see options for adding cellular plans in your settings menu. To check eSIM support on your device, navigate to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and look for an option to add cellular plan. If this option exists, your device supports eSIM. Next, ensure your device is unlocked or supports dual SIM functionality. A carrier-locked device may prevent eSIM activation. Contact your original carrier if you're unsure about your device's unlock status. Software requirements are crucial for eSIM functionality. You'll need iOS 12.1 or later, though iOS 16 or newer is recommended for the best experience. Android users need version 9.0 or later with eSIM support enabled. Network prerequisites are equally important for successful activation. You need a stable Wi-Fi connection with at least 10 megabits per second speed. Disable any VPN connections during the activation process, and ensure you have at least 1 gigabyte of free storage space. These compatibility and network checks are crucial because device compatibility issues account for approximately 32% of all eSIM activation failures. By verifying these prerequisites up front, you can avoid the most common activation problems. There are two main ways to activate your Airalo eSIM. Let's start with the QR code method, which is the most common and straightforward approach. First, open the Airalo app and navigate to the My eSIMs section. Here, you'll find your purchased eSIM package with all the installation details. Next, go to your iPhone settings, select Cellular, then Add Cellular Plan. This will open your camera to scan the QR code. Scan the QR code from your Airalo app, and the eSIM profile will automatically download to your device. This process typically takes 2 to 5 minutes. If QR code scanning doesn't work, you can use manual installation. This method requires copying specific codes from your Airalo app. Now let's address the most common activation errors and their solutions. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of activation issues. The first common error is unable to complete cellular plan setup. To fix this, reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Alternatively, try activating during off-peak hours, typically between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. local time when network traffic is lower. The second error is cellular plan cannot be added. This usually means you've reached the maximum number of eSIM profiles on your device. Remove unused profiles or restart your device. The third error is no service after successful activation. This requires manually selecting your network operator and toggling airplane mode on and off. If you're still experiencing connectivity issues, check your APN settings. For iOS devices, the APN should be set to Internet with blank username and password fields. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most activation issues. Airalo currently maintains an impressive 94.2% overall activation success rate as of 2025, with 78% of users succeeding on their first attempt.